Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Hulu app. Just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings and you will click here. Then in this page you are scrolling down and you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will scrolling down and you find the application of Hulu, or you can just write the name of this application to search about it here in this page like this. When you find this application, you will go to permissions to check if all these permissions are allowed, especially the permission of notifications. If it's not, you can go also to this window of notifications like this. In the first, you will find it like this here, turn off, but you will click to turn on notifications. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page of storage, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and then you will wait a moment and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. If this step of turn off your phone not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hulu. You will write it like this here, Hulu app, and then you will update your app as you see to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.